Okay, so here we're doing 2.3 and it says a new shareholder purchased 1,200 shares. How much did she pay per share? Okay, well, it doesn't say per share, so you can calculate the total amount she paid or per share. Let's see, so this is 2.3. Okay, now there are two things you need to establish before you calculate how much it is she actually paid. So, one of these two things is what was the premium on the new shares? Because remember, what she paid was not only they tell you, oh, it's below, they tell you that the nominal value per share is 1 Rand 50, but it's your job to calculate the share premium. Okay, because she didn't only pay this, she also paid this plus the share premium. So first we're trying to establish, hey, what was the premium on the new shares, right? And this is easy because we've given last year's figure, we're given this year's figure, and then we have to say, hey, the total share premium has to be 80,000. So that's this year minus last year. So we already know that. So that's the premium, okay? Now we want to calculate how many new shares were issued in total in issue. Why? Because if we want to calculate only her premium, we need to know what was the premium on all the shares. So to calculate how many new shares were issued, we're going to say 840,000 minus 600,000. Okay, and that gives us 240,000 Rand. So let me see, I don't know if you're following. Okay, I said 840,000 minus 600,000 and I got 240,000. Now this is not the number of shares in issue. This is the ordinary share capital. In order to calculate the shares, we have to divide it by 150. Because remember, this is, once again, ordinary share capital. So we need to say 240,000 divided by 1 Rand 50. And you should get 160,000. So now the new shares in issue are 160,000. Okay, so now we have what the premium on all new shares were. We have... oh, message from my mom. We have a premium on all new shares and we have the number of shares. Now we have to divide this 80,000 divided by 160,000 and we're gonna get 0.5 or 50 cents. Now 50 cents is the share premium. And if we add 1 Rand 50, which is the nominal value, plus 50 cents, we get 2 Rand. So she paid 2 Rand per share, okay? You can, in the memo, they just tell us 2 Rand, but I would also calculate the total amount she paid, which is obviously 2 Rand times 1,200, 2,400. Okay, very good.